Okay, this is going to be the first part of ear taping. I'm going to show you how I do the preparation. I have everything I need, my zip ties, my 3M micropore tape, my Kindle waterproof, I have my starter fluid, I have duct tape, and I have my paper towels. So to start, I'm going to take 2 of the zip ties and I put them together like this so the 2 little buds are down here together. Then I take a piece of duct tape and make it about the length of the zip ties. I know right now their ears are shorter, so I don't need it to go the full length, but this is how I keep the zip ties together. So again, I place them like this. I lay them very carefully on the duct tape and I start wrapping. This will keep your zip ties nice and straight and tight. And I just roll them like that. Okay, the next thing I do is I take my paper towel. I just take 1/4 of a piece of paper towel. I cut it in half. Again. And then I wrap this in it. I leave a little bit at the bottom because I'm going to let that be what goes down in the ear and pads the ear. And I just do the same thing. I wrap it as tight as I can, going all the way down the... That just gives a little padding in the ear. Then I take the paper tape and I tape this around so it doesn't come undone. Just a couple of places up near the top. And near the bottom. That is how I prepare my zip tie. Then I take the end down here and I feel where the flat side is because that's the side that's going to go against the ear. I bend it that way. Towards that, I put a piece of tape over it to hold it. So when it goes in, the flat side of those little hubs go down into the ear. Then I take my Kindle waterproof tape and I start at above those 2 knobs and I make a tight wrap around. Then I flip the tape over and I back tie it, back post it. That makes the sticky side out so that it will stick in the ear. If I was doing this down like I usually do it, it's much easier. I'm not used to doing it up in the air like this. But you'll get the idea. Then I tear it. Now I have the post ready to go in the ear. I will stick it down in the puppy's ears to measure how far up I need to cut this off. I want about a 1/2 inch above the tip of the ear. So we'll say I have it there. I'm going to cut this off. Now, I'm going to go ahead and get both ready, and then before I do the puppy's ears, I clean the puppy's ears with alcohol. I'm going to spray this and lay it aside so that it doesn't lose its sticky, and then I'll be ready to post the ear. So I would make both posts and have them ready, and that is how you prepare the post. Stop it. Okay, let me watch this. Oh, it's still